Hey guys, welcome back to this video of Minecraft mods. I did add a lot of more mods like chisel. So guys, I was thinking of maybe making a house that is chiseled. No, with a little chisel. Like, I want to live in a dog face, not in this ugly, stupid villager house. So yeah, I don't really like it. And I got some new mods, you know, like chisel. This is from a Terrorblade? Oh my god, guys, this is from Terraria, and the star collar is, oh wow, this is from Terraria. Do you hear me? Terraria, Montana mod. That is cool. And this is too. You know what, guys? I need to do some stuff. Let me put all this away. I don't need it. But I do need to smelt some stuff. I got 20 things I need to smelt. 20 things. Oh yeah, it's the wrong one. There. Let's get that off my offhand, and let's... Excuse me. See if I can make an eye. Oh yeah, guys, I got the Mouse Stores mod. I need to build a house. So, I need something brown. B-R-O-W. Okay. Guys, which one is the best? I really think, how do you make terracotta? I mean concrete. Terracotta. Cocoa beans. 4. Okay. I need that, and that. Wood, stick, in a bowl. Wood, stick, in a bowl. Wood, stick. I need a bowl. So let's go chop down some trees. Okay, let's chop it. Please. This is gonna take a while. You know what? Yawn. This is taking a while. Why? Good. At least I have that mod. So let's plant some of the trees down. There. Hope they grow back. And this isn't real. This is not real. I made it for entertainment purposes. So the little kids would be having fun and saying, "Whoa, wow, I love it. Whoa, I want to watch this person walk." I hope that's something that I really want for the little kids, because they usually don't get that much at school, because school is boring. Okay. I need that, so that, and that. That. Oh, spruce, and then stick. Yay. And then I need one of those magical bronze things. Oh, wait. I don't need that. Okay, let me go out and set off on my journey to find a brown flower. Wait a minute. Floral brown power. Okay, brown petal or shimmering muck. Brown petal! There, here we go. Where do you find the brown petals? I don't know. Guys, leave all the comments you can and suggestions for a house. I'm really wanting to build a house on episode 5 or below, because episode 5 I'm not allowed to skip the night. So yeah. We'll have to find a flower. Actually, well, this may not be a whole survival series, but I do know that LD Shadow Lady only built herself a house with creative mode. Yeah. Maybe I can do that. I don't know. So I'm planning not having something flying. Now I'm planning on living in a dog. Because dogs are so cute. And they're everything. There. Give me your wool. I can't afford yours, you dumb sheep. There. I don't need this dumb flower. I'm going off to woman country. Same as man country. And I have my waypoints just in case I get hurt. I can just teleport them. Or if I get lost, which is every day. And I also have the coordinates up there, which I'm happy with. Ooh. Wow. This is a strange new pig place. Pig palace. I can't say it. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh wow, I feel so rewarded. Whoa. Whoa. Thank you, fellow camper. I will be gone with your stuff. Bye. Bye-bye. I want a Swift knife. So I need the tall, mystical brown flower. I think I've saw them before. And once I make one block... Oh, I need terracotta. Whatever. I'll just build it out of creative mode after I find a flower. Oh god, this is gonna take a while. Quest for the flower! Yay! This is not fun. And if it goes tonight, I'm sleeping. Ooh, what is that material? I wish I had Walla Walla. Okay. Strange white resources. Strange white BLOCKS. Just in case, if I don't know where this place is, I know that is my favorite block in the whole entire game. But there's no more stone cutters, which makes me sad. Because guys, stone cutters are very important. And if I don't find that, I'm gonna be mad. I'll pause the video, then I'll try to find the flower. Okay. I didn't find a flower. Achievements, though. Fontana challenges. Minecraft Fontana. Ooh. How? Okay, a realistic Alexia Fontana. I'm gonna see it. See it, Bon. Okay. Whoa. How? Whoa. Anyway, don't. Cooking for the blockheads. What the heck? I remember I got that mod. 10. That or that. A sapling and a book. A book is made of paper. I get that. Yeah. I guess I'm not gonna find one. But I am gonna make a good bed. No, I can't make dye out of it. Mystical magenta. Mystical magenta. Yeah, it's that one. Okay, just too close to the west. Okay. A magenta petal. Okay. It's not. What does a petal do? Nothing. It only makes you a petal block. A dumb little petal block. So guys. What the heck? What the heck? Wow. What the heck? Okay, don't worry about that. Please leave a like and subscribe and bye. Actually, no. I'll go into the creative mode and build my house. And then you'll love it. And then I'll move everything out. Okay? It's not bye. I'll just pause and then I'm going to see the house. Okay guys, how do you like it? Here's my big dog. Wait, there's the tail. Oh god, I gotta fix this. Okay, I'll fix that. And then I'll move everything inside, then I'll show you. Okay guys, so I'll give you a little tour. Here is the dog that I built that I live in. And I disabled the thing. Now, let's make the official warp point together. Home of dog. There. And then you see, where is the door actually? I didn't put it up there. You know why these are torches here? To remind me. Because there is a door here. So here's my bed, here's my thing, here's that. Perfectly the same. Put that right there. Let's put that in. Then I made a rusty ladder because... And now there's the head. And then I was going to make it a normal home, but I had struggling with that, and then I got the idea ahead, but then I thought of a cool base, like a castle, then I might move out of this dog and just call it the dog place where, like, Stampy has a bunch of dogs, right? That's gonna be me. Because I'm gonna move out of this place, and then I'm gonna build a big castle. Alright, that's for this episode. Please leave a like and subscribe. Bye!